no problem. Okay, or else I can go with the pipeline.
Okay,
Pipeline.
yeah, anything.
Okay. So pipeline procurement. What is the meaning of a pipeline procurement?
Through pipe, like bulk goods and all, you will send through pipes and all. Like,
Not bulk goods. It is continuously flowing.
continuously.
It is continuously flowing the stock from the vendor location to my location. Okay. So whenever it is required, whenever I am required, I'm just utilizing the stock and I'm paying the amount to the vendor. Okay.
Yeah.
So in this process, I don't need to be create a PO. No PO here. Why it is no PO? Because I'm not ordering any goods. It is already there in the connections already. It is already fixed. It is there in the my location to their location. Okay.
Vendor is fixed.
Yeah, vendor location to my location, it is already pipe is there. So I don't need to be order here. Okay. So the vendor is giving to flexibility to me. Was I'm just fixing the pipes to my location to your location. Okay. If you require the stock, just to withdraw the stock and pay the amount. Okay. So I don't need to be raise the POs. So in this pipeline procurement, we don't have any purchase order. Okay. We don't have any purchase order. It is already flowing. Okay. So in this process, one thing is we require master data. Okay. So what master data it is required? That is info record. Okay,
Here
because
also, okay.
we don't have PO right here, and
Yeah.
that means we don't have price, we don't have tax information. So that price and tax information should be captured from the master data that we are maintaining in the info record. Okay, so here it is mandatory. Under consignment pipeline, both info record is mandatory. Okay, so here the info category is pipeline. Okay, pipeline is the info category. And you must be maintain the price and tax information or any other information which is like payment terms, other things, whatever it is required, all the unit to be maintained. Okay. Then once you maintain the master data, process wise, if you go to, okay, there is no PO. Okay, no, there is no PO and no PO and no GR. Okay, only thing is goods issue. Because it is already there in the pipes, I'm just issuing to my consumption. Okay, so only consumption, it is only possible consumption. So that is also we are doing like 201P.
Okay.
P is nothing but like a pipe.
Consignment.
So in the consignment it is a K, and pipeline it is a P. Okay, so there is no transfer to the own stock or nothing here. Okay, because it is already there in the pipes, it is connected. So just whenever you want, you just consume the stock, then you pay the settlement, automatic settlement.
Yeah.
Okay, so in this one, in this process, okay, automatic settlement will be happened based on the what you consume stock. So the same process which we are following here also MRKO, and it is for the consignment, how we are doing for consignment, the same way in the pipeline also. Okay, in the consignment we are physically stock which is already located in my location, but here in this case the stock which is flowing from their location to my location through pipes. Okay, whenever it is required, I'm just looking to reading, I'm just counting reading what we consume and we are paying that amount.
Okay.
Okay, so if it is 1000 ml is there, today 100 ml I'm using, so still the balance is 900 ml which is flowing. Or okay, so maybe I don't know what is 1000 ml also because it's continuous flow, right? So today I'm just to withdraw 100 ml, so I'm paying for 100 ml. Tomorrow 500 ml, then to 500 ml I'm paying, 300 ml I'm paying. That's all. So it will be continuous flow. So there is no nothing. Okay. So in this pipeline, you can use the material type if you want to create a material with material type is pipe.
Okay.
Pipe material type. Okay, you can create a material with a material type is pipe. Okay.
Okay.
Now, so it is not mandatory. Okay, without that also you can go. Okay, now I'll just simply show that I'm ME11.
ME11.
Sorry. I'll go to ME11. Okay. So ME11.
Info category pipeline.
So category is pipeline. Okay, you can give the material and plant. Okay, if you have any material number, if it is created, then you can use that material number. Okay, like oil or something which you created, that you can use it. Okay, oil or gas or water, anything which you created, you can use. Okay, for your understanding purpose, whatever you can use. Okay.
Oh yeah.
So I'll just put like oil something if it is there or not there. Okay. Okay, so something oil is there. Okay.
Oil.
Gas is not there. Chemical also is not there. Okay. So I'll only will try anything which is there. So the special oil or something which is there. I'm just using that. Okay.
Okay.
So it is just like an understanding purpose only. Okay. Any material you can use. Okay. And I
Right.
just go to another plant. Okay. And I'm just creating a pipeline. So if it is a pipe pipe material type, what will be happen? The metal must record, like if you go to OMS2, this is the configuration for the material type creation. Okay, in the metal master record. So there you can see that the type of the material which is pipe. Okay. So the materials which is like pipe, this what will be happen? The pipe is not quantity value updated. You can see there is no quantity update, there is no value update because this is not coming to my location, store location. Okay, it
Okay.
is directly pipe. It is required only pipes. It is required. Okay, so that's all. Okay, so now I'll be going to create this one. Okay, let's see. Okay, 200 pipeline material. Please check your input. Okay, not a pipeline material.
Material.
Okay, so okay, now I'll be create one material. Anyway, I just need to be create one material. Okay, MM01. Creating MM01. And I'll be use something chemicals or something, chemical industry or something, and I'll be go for pipeline material. Okay, and the pipeline material anyway we don't need a location, store location, because we are not keeping it to
Direct connection will be there from
the connection.
it.
Yes, only accounting data which is required, how much purchasing and what is the basic information. Okay.
Okay.
So then there is no location also because which is not we storing the stock. We are not storing the stock, so no store location
Storage
information here.
location.
Okay. Now I can put like something which is which is like oil. Okay. And I'll just to be maintaining that how you are measuring that. It is a ml, milliliters, liters. How you are measuring that? You can enter that. I'm just measuring the L and what type of the material group it is, what group of material. So you can go. It is something liquid or oil or something which is you can define that. So if I'm just defining like pipeline materials or something, or it is oil or something. Okay, whatever it may be, it's just giving the group what kind of group it is. Okay, so you can use any of the material group. So I'm just using like oils. Okay, oil category. Okay, okay, clear.
Yeah.
Then later and okay, when you are when you okay, there is no purchase order, right? So no need to buy order unit also. Okay, then the price, okay, which condition record, okay, consumption it is like how it will be like that you can define here. Which GL account and all map, and you can save. Okay. Okay. So now this is the pipeline material. Okay. This is the pipeline material. So this is the my pipeline, which is oil something. Now I'll be creating the info record. Me 11, and I can use this material number for this one. Okay. And other information is same. Okay. I'm using the pipeline. Clear?
Yeah.
Now latest and I'll be sending that. Okay, it is not required actually. Planned delivery time is not required here. So because this is based on the info type, the type which is created here. Based on that, it is working. So it is not required this information, planned delivery time and standard time, and the price which is required. Okay. Now, okay. So who will be the person who is the purchasing group person who is? So other than that, okay, the price you can see that how much it is priced. Then other than that, tax information which is required. Okay, because when you're purchasing the oil, they must be paying the input tax, right, to the government, to
Yeah,
paying some input tax first, that you need to maintain. Okay, clear?
yeah, clear.
So this planned delivery time and standard quantity, which is not required in this case, but this configuration, like they're putting like this is the mandatory field, this is the mandatory field. That's why the system is asking, but it is not. And okay, and there is no GR-based drive also here. Okay, because we are not receiving any stock, we are not creating verifying the invoice. Okay, so
But once you're receiving that, no,
consuming,
that time
yeah,
also you
that
won't.
is a consumption. Yeah, that is consumption. You can directly you're consuming the stock. Based on the consumption only, system will be validating and it will be giving the uh, payments. Right?
Yeah,
Okay, clear?
yeah.
Okay, now it's created. You can see that this info record number created. Okay, with the info record number which is created with pipeline category, which is pipeline category. Pipeline category, which is okay.
Okay.
Okay, now you don't need to be create any PO, right? You can go to MIGO. Okay, now directly you can receive the
Goods
goods,
issue.
goods issue and others and 201P. 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 Okay. Now I'm just creating this is consumption. Now what the material number is? This is the material number. What is the material number? This is the pipeline material number. This is the pipeline material. Suppose I'm just planning to consume the 1,000 pieces of something. Okay. I'm just consuming the 1,000 pieces here. And which plant it is like 1100 plant. And who is the vendor? That is vendor also 1,000 vendor. Okay. Clear?
Yeah.
So other than that, where you want to be consumed the stock, that you also you need to be enter. So that this is the something which is like which cost center you want to be used and at HR department, admin department, which department you want to be used, that you can create. Okay.
Okay.
So what is the meaning of cost center?
Like finance people directly they'll consume and they'll give money immediately.
So yeah, it is a department. Okay.
Yeah.
It's a department directly consuming for the department. So then I'll just check and post. Okay.
Okay.
So now the system is posted the stock. Now you need to be clear the invoice. So there is no invoice in this case because it we are not receiving any invoice from the vendor because how much you consumed they don't know, right? So they're not raising any invoice. So you need to be clear that. So where you can clear this one, go to MRKO. MRKO is the automatic pipeline settlement transaction code. There you need to be entered that when you posting dates and everything. Okay. So you can see here either we can use this process for consignment or pipeline. Okay, settlement.
Okay.
So again the same thing which is like output determination. Okay, consignment settlements and other thing KYNS and all it is common. Okay. Now I'm just executing this one. Let's see if anything which we need to pay. So I need to pay. See material document number is 590. This is correct, right? 590. Now how much which is consumed? 1,000 pieces.
1,000.
1,000 liters. Okay. So not at settle. So then I'll go back and I'll be changed to settlement. Okay, I'll just go and I will settle. And it will the settlement is done. Okay. So n number of times you can consume and n number of times you can pay.
Okay.
So this is the way it will be happen for the pipeline. So consignment process and pipeline process both are the special stock procurement process. Both cases you must be create an info record and with the price and tax information, because in the PO you don't have any price and tax information. In the pipeline there is no PO as well. Okay. So why it is very important info record, because price and tax information can be captured from the info record, and settlement will be happen from the based on the price which you maintain in the info record. Clear?
Yeah, clear.
So this is the pipeline process. Any question here?
Just no.
Okay. So this is the simple process. Okay. Consignment and pipeline both it is the same process.
Okay.
Okay. Now I'll be go with the evaluated receipt settlement. So what is the meaning of the evaluated receipt settlement?
They'll create periods like this month, this day